To use the Covideo Outlook add-in, first open a new message. Select Covideo and sign into your account. Before adding any videos to your email, fill in the To field with your recipient. You have access to all of your existing videos in your video library, or you can use the search bar to find more specific videos. Clicking Insert adds the video to your message with your default landing page and calls to action. More Options lets you preview the video and change the landing page and calls to action before inserting into the email. To create a new video, click Add Video. Here, you can select from your webcam, screen, or both at the same time. Under Mic and Camera settings, you can choose which webcam and microphone you want to use. Clicking the gear opens up more advanced settings and options. For webcam recordings, select the webcam option. Click Start Recording when you're ready. Wait for the countdown, then record your message. Hit Finish when you're done. Now you can preview the video, rename it, save it, or record a new one. If you're happy with the video, click Save and exit out of the window. Then click Finish Recording in the add-in. Your new video will be at the top of your video library, ready to be inserted into your email. For screen recordings, select the screen recording option you want to use. Then click Start Recording. You can choose which screen, application window, or tab you want to record. For best results, we recommend using Chrome. If you're using the Both option, you can resize and move your webcam around the screen. To begin, hit the Start Recording button. Wait for the countdown, and then record your video. When you're done, click Stop Sharing at the bottom of the screen. From here, the process is the same as with a webcam recording. When you open any previous emails, you can click the Covideo icon to access the add-in and view past interactions with that contact, including emails sent, emails opened, and videos viewed. Hovering over the interaction lets you record a new video, reply to the contact, or view more in-depth details. This is also where you can log out of your account if need be.